Okay, welcome to lecture number 5 of chapter 1 series. Now, yesterday we learned about clothes packing in one-dimensional and two-dimensional. Now, we are going to learn today clothes packing in three dimension. Suppose in clothes packing in three dimension, there are two types. First one, that is square clothes packing. Here square clothes packing is shown. You can see here, this is our first layer. In three dimensional, this layer will repeat itself to form a 3D structure. Suppose this is our first layer. You can see here the second row that is come exactly above the first one. Exactly below the first one, the second layer comes. Atoms that are attached to each other and that are exactly above each other. So this is type A layer. Now the second layer will come in such a way that it is exactly above the first layer. આ જે લેયર છે એના ઉપર જ બીજું લેયર આવશે ને એ રીતના આવશે કે જે એટમ છે એના ઉપર જ બીજો એટમ આવશે. You can see here, suppose this is our middle layer. This atom is exactly above this one, and this black one is exactly above the white one. So this way the layers will repeat itself. એકબીજાને exactly above અને below હોય, atoms એકબીજાને exactly above અને below હોય. That type of arrangement will be there in square clothes packing in three dimensions. So suppose the first type of layer is A, second type is exactly same, so it will also A. So arrangement will be A and so on. If you want to calculate the coordination number, look at the center atom here. How much another walls is surrounded it and directly attached. This is first one, black, second, third, fourth, above one, fifth, and downward, sixth. So you can see the center atom that is attached directly to 6 atoms. So coordination number is 6 here. This is close packing in three dimensional, and in that first type square close packing. Okay, now here we are discussing about close packing structures. In that, 3 subtypes were there: close packing in one dimensional, close packing in two dimensional, close packing in three dimensional. In two dimensional, there were 2 types: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. In three dimensional, there are also 2 types: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Now we discuss up to this. Now we are going to discuss hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. Now it has 2 subtypes here. The first one is placing second layer over first one, and second one is placing third layer over second. Now what do you mean by that? That we are going to discuss here. And here placing third layer over second, that have 2 subtypes that are covering tetrahedral voids and covering octahedral voids. Now what do you mean by octahedral and tetrahedral voids? That we are going to discuss. First, look here, close packing in hexagonal close packing system. Now here the first type is placing second layer over first one. Okay, that was the first type. Now here you can see how do you make this type of packing. So first make two-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer. मीन्स पहला આપણે ટુ ડાયમેન્શનલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર બનાવવાનું અને કેવું સ્ટ્રક્ચર કીધું છે હેક્સાગોનલ ક્લોઝ પેક્ડ લેયર બનાવવાનું. That layer will repeat itself to form 3D structure. So here I am going to show you that layers. Suppose these are our atoms. Okay, now I am going to make a hexagonal two-dimensional close packing system. Okay, this is hexagonal two-dimensional structure. You can see the first row, the second row will come in between the gap of first one. જે પહેલા બેમાં ગેપ છે એ આગળ સેકન્ડ રોનો ફર્સ્ટ એટમ આવ્યો. દેન સેકન્ડ લેયરમાં જે ગેપ છે એ આગળ બીજો એટમ આવ્યો. લાઈક દેટ it will repeat itself. Now this layer will repeat itself here. Now the second layer, how will that come? So the second layer will come in such way that it will cover the void, the empty space of first layer. જે empty space દેખાય છે એના ઉપર atoms arrange થશે. You can see the covering of layer. The second layer will come on the gap of first layer. Now here if you observe this carefully, there will some empty space down to this atom, this golden atom. Down to that some gap will be there. This type of gap is called tetrahedral void. What is void? Void is nothing but empty space between atoms. Void is empty space between the atoms. Here in three-dimensional structure, below this golden coin, there will some empty space, very small space will be there. That is called tetrahedral void. Why tetrahedral? Because you can see it is forming by four atoms. First, second, third, and this golden one, 4. So it is forming by 4 atoms. So it is called tetrahedral void. Now, what is octahedral void? So in this structure only, there will be octahedral void also present. And how will that form? So I am just rearranging these atoms. Okay. Now you can see this gap. There are some gaps. Now 3 atoms will form total 6 atoms will form octahedral void. How? You can see this gap is there. So I am arranging another 3 atoms on it. Okay. Here if you observe very carefully, there is circular gap. In total 6 atoms we arrange here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And despite of that, there is a circular gap here. So this gap is known as octahedral void. So in hexagonal closed packing system, there will be tetrahedral void as well as octahedral void. Both will be there. Both are present here. And how that will form, I show you. Okay. Now you saw how tetrahedral and octahedral voids are formed. Now here the next point you can see here, in the hexagonal 3-dimensional structure, the second layer that comes in between the gap of first one. So here I have written that only, in the depression means in the gap of first layer, arrange the second one. Now if I denote first layer, whole layer by A, the second layer is different here. It is coming in between the gap. So it will be B layer. So the overall solid will form in such way AB, AB and so on. Now here I have written 2 voids, tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Now how many of tetrahedral and octahedral voids will be there in solid? So if n is number of close packed spheres, means જેટલા atom છે એને આપણે n કહીએ. If I denote it by n, the number of tetrahedral voids will be n. જેટલા atom હશે એટલા જ tetrahedral voids હશે. And number of octahedral voids will be double to that, 2n, double to atom, number of atom. So by this n and 2n, they are asking some MCQs. So keep that in your mind, that number of atom, that is your tetrahedral void n, and double to that it is octahedral voids 2n. Okay. Now we discuss this one, placing second layer over first one. Now the last one is placing third layer over second. Now it has 2 subtypes covering tetrahedral void and covering octahedral void. So for that, look here, placing third layer over second, in that first one covering tetrahedral void. Short form for that is hexagonal closed packing system. This one is very important, HCP, hexagonal closed packing system. In that, tetrahedral voids of second layer may be covered by spheres of third layer. For that, look here in this figure. This is our first layer, that is hexagonal 2-dimensional structure layer. On that, this point is our tetrahedral void. On that, another hexagonal closed pack system is that 2-dimensional, and so on, it will repeat itself. Suppose first layer is type A, then type B, then type A, then type B. Means here what is the main point, that third layer will come in such way that it will cover the tetrahedral void, and type is AB, AB and so on. In magnesium and zinc, this type of arrangement can be seen. Now if I want to calculate the coordination number, look at this middle atom. It is covered by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from its layer. Upper to that, these 3 atoms that are also attached to it. So 6 plus 3, 9, and down to that layer B will be there. It is expanding itself. So layer B will be here also. So down to that there will be 3 atoms. So total 3 plus 6 plus 3. Total 12 atoms will be attached directly to the center atom. So coordination number will be 12 here. Okay, now the last one, covering octahedral voids. Now here the third layer will come in such way that it covers octahedral void. પહેલામાં ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ void ને કવર કરતો હતો, આની અંદર octahedral void ને કવર કરશે. Look here in this figure. First layer, that is our hexagonal close packed layer in 2 dimension. Okay, then this is our octahedral void, and these 3 atom C layer will try to cover that octahedral void. Again the first layer will repeat, then B, then C. So here 3 types of layer are here. First one, that is hexagonal close packed 2-dimensional structure. Then B, that is to form octahedral void. Then C layer to cover that octahedral void. So like that it will repeat itself. So here the pattern is ABC, ABC, and so on. And like previous one, if you calculate the surrounding atom of this center one, you will get 12 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down to that B layer will be there. So 3 from there, 3, 6, and 3. Total 12 atoms will be there surrounding the center one. So in this way the coordination number for this also is 12.